What is more important, sleep, food, or exercise? Most people quickly say, I need to eat healthy. Or, I must go to the gym. But there's one thing many people forget. Sleep. We think of food as fuel. We think of movement as strength. But what about rest? What about recovery? Today, we're going to take a closer look at sleep. Why it matters. Why it affects everything, your body, your brain, even your mood. And why some scientists believe that sleep is more important than food or exercise. Let's find out why sleep is not just one part of health. It's the foundation. To stay healthy, our body needs three basic things: sleep, food, and movement. We often hear about healthy eating. We often see advice about exercise. But there's one more thing, something just as important, and sometimes even more important. It's sleep. Food gives us energy. It fuels our brain and body so we can think, move, and live. When we don't eat for a day, we feel tired and weak. But did you know that some people can live more than 20 days without food? Movement keeps our body strong. Simple things like walking, stretching, or exercising help our muscles, bones, and heart. Without movement, our body becomes stiff. We feel heavy and slow. But sleep is something different. Sleep is not just rest. It's the time when the body repairs, cleans, and heals. Without food, we feel hungry. Without movement, we feel tired. But without sleep, our brain stops working well. Our mood changes. We lose focus. After just 2 or 3 nights without sleep, people can become very sick. That's because sleep is not just helpful, it is essential. It's not the final piece of the puzzle. It's the foundation. Like the bottom of a pyramid, sleep holds everything else up. So what happens when we sleep? You might think the body is doing nothing. But in fact, it's very busy. First, the brain starts to clean itself. All day, we take in information, sounds, stress, feelings, and thoughts. While we sleep, the brain removes this mental trash. It organizes what to keep and what to forget. Some scientists even believe that good sleep may help protect us from memory problems as we get older. Second, our muscles and tissues begin to repair. If you work out, or even just have a hard day, your body needs time to recover. During deep sleep, cells rebuild, and the body becomes stronger. Third, sleep helps our heart. Our blood pressure lowers. The heart slows down and gets a break. This rest supports a healthy heart over time. And finally, sleep helps our emotions. People who sleep well feel calmer, more balanced, and less angry. They smile more. They worry less. They enjoy life more. So sleep is not a pause. It's a reset. A repair. A gift. Let's look at what science says. Many studies from around the world show how powerful sleep really is. A study at Stanford University showed that athletes who slept longer, around 10 hours, ran faster and played better. More sleep didn't make them lazy. It made them stronger. Another study found that when people don't get enough sleep, the body makes more hunger hormones. Even if they just ate, they still feel hungry. That's why tired people often crave sugar or fat. And what about the brain? A study from Harvard showed that even one night without sleep can slow down our thinking. It's like being under the influence of alcohol, without drinking anything. Poor sleep is also linked to sadness, anxiety, and stress. But people who sleep well tend to feel more positive and focused. Sleep affects everything: our body, our brain, and our emotions. But here's the problem. Many people eat healthy food. Many go to the gym and try to stay active. Yet, they sleep only 5 or 6 hours a night. That's not enough. Without sleep, your muscles won't grow, no matter how hard you train. Without sleep, your diet won't work, you'll still want snacks and sweets. Without sleep, your mind won't be sharp, even with all the right vitamins. Yes, food and movement are important. But sleep is the power button. If you don't press it, nothing works. Sleep comes first. Then food and movement can do their job. So, how can we sleep better? Let's keep it simple. Try to go to bed at the same time every night. Your body loves routine. When your sleep schedule is regular, your brain knows when it's time to relax. Turn off screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Phones, tablets, and TVs give off blue light. This light tells your brain to stay awake. Without it, your brain starts to rest. Make your room cool, dark, and quiet. A calm space helps your body feel safe and ready for sleep. Do something gentle before bed. You can read a book, listen to soft music, or breathe slowly. This helps your mind slow down. And don't worry, most people don't need 10 hours of sleep. For adults, 7 to 9 hours is enough. That's all it takes to feel better, stronger, and more focused. So, what did we learn today? Sleep is not a luxury. It's not something you fit in if there's time. It's a basic human need. Sleep helps your brain, your body, your heart, everything. Without sleep, even good food and exercise won't help as much. Want to feel better? Want more energy? Better focus? A better mood? Start with sleep.
Did you like the video? Click like, subscribe to the channel, and write a comment with your ideas for new stories. Thank you for watching and practicing English with me. See you in the next video.